Welcome back to the Awesome Agents podcast. I'm Alex, and today we have a juicy one. OpenAI leaked GPT 5.4 not once but twice.
Yeah, and what makes this so good is it wasn't some rumor or anonymous tip. It was right there in their public GitHub repo.
Okay, so walk me through what happened. The first leak was about a week ago, right?
Right. February 27th, an OpenAI engineer opens a pull request in the Codex repo. It's adding full resolution image support. Pretty normal feature work.
Sounds routine so far.
Except the code set the minimum model version to 5.4. As in, this feature requires GPT 5.4 or newer to work.
Oh no. And this is a public repo.
Completely public. Codex is their open source terminal coding agent. Someone on X screenshotted it almost right away.
So what did OpenAI do?
They force pushed the branch 7 times in 5 hours to scrub the reference. 7 force pushes to change a 2-digit version number.
That is not how you fix a typo. That's panic mode.
Exactly. And then 5 days later, it happened again. A different engineer opens a new PR adding a fast mode toggle to Codex.
Let me guess. It mentioned GPT 5.4?
The slash command was literally described as Togo fast mode for GPT 5.4. They cleaned it up within 3 hours this time, but screenshots were already out.
And there was an employee screenshot too?
Yes, an OpenAI employee who was a confirmed Codex contributor posted a screenshot on X showing GPT 5.4 in the model selector dropdown, then deleted it.
So we have code references, force push history, and a deleted employee post. That's about as confirmed as an unannounced model gets.
Pretty much. And the features are interesting. Full resolution vision means Codex could handle detailed diagrams and high DPI screenshots without lossy compression.
That would be huge for a coding agent. Think about architectural drawings or complex UI mockups.
And the fast mode with priority service tiers suggests they are building tiered inference. Pay more, get lower latency.
Now there are rumors about a 2 million token context window and persistent memory. Any truth to that?
No evidence in the PRs. There are memory related PRs from late February, but none reference GPT 5.4 specifically. I'd file that under wishful thinking for now.
Fair. What blows my mind is the pace. How many GPT-5 models is this now?
If 5.4 ships, that's 5 major versions in about 7 months. GPT-5 in August, then Codex 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 Codex in February, and now 5.4.
The GPT-4 era feels like it moved in slow motion compared to this. The competitive pressure is real. Claude Opus 4.6 just launched with agent teams and a million token context window. DeepSeek V4 is training on Huawei hardware, completely outside the NVIDIA ecosystem. So OpenAI can't afford to slow down, even if their internal processes aren't quite keeping up.
That is the main point for me. Having engineers accidentally commit model references to a public repo twice in 5 days tells you something about the pace outrunning the coordination.
Prediction markets have it at 55% before April, 74% before June. I think we'll be talking about GPT 5.4 officially pretty soon.
And when we do, remember you heard about it here first. Or, well, on GitHub first, then here.
That's a wrap for today. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you on the next one.